I would say my daughter's story begins probably when she was pretty young. We ended up taking her to see some neurologists and different psychiatrists, and she started out with an early diagnosis of an anxiety disorder. Almost exactly 2 years ago, things really started to fall apart. And just with puberty, the mental health issues that she had really got to a crisis point.
Well, the Riverside Community Service Agency provides intensive care coordination and family support and training services. Every family that's enrolled with us is assigned an intensive care coordinator and a family partner who work as a team to support families that have children that are struggling with mental health difficulties. The families that we work with face many challenges. For every family, it's different. But for many of the families that we serve, the caregivers are struggling just to understand what challenges their child is experiencing and how it affects them at school, in the community, and at home. So oftentimes a lot of the work that we do with families is helping them to access the education to better understand what is going on with their child and what they're experiencing.
Before Alex was working with us, I was really overwhelmed. It was so hard to keep track of just communicating with the school and all the different people, the doctors and things that we were working with. I was kind of drowning in paperwork, and just I'd say the emotional toll without having extra support was really rough. So Alex came on right away. She was just so cheerful and helpful and supportive.
My role as a family partner is to provide support to a family that is in crisis. They might have a son or daughter who is having serious emotional behavioral issues. And what makes my role unique is that I myself am a parent. I have a son with bipolar disorder. So I've been through the experience of being in crisis, of having him hospitalized multiple times. So I really understand that perspective of what a family's going through.
Vivian has been the most amazing family partner. I just can't say enough about how supportive she's been. And a lot of times it's just hard to get through not just the big crises, but the day-to-day frustrations of trying to manage.
Our goal in working with families like Dia and her family is to create a plan that is sustainable so that we don't have to be in place for very long.
We've seen real progress moving forward with my daughter. She's been able to come back from the hospital and different programs and get back into school and get on a good school plan. I've been so lucky to have the support of Riverside Community Care. It's just been amazing for myself and for my family.